Alright guys, here is an unboxing. Some WWE items I got from eBay. Been after these two for quite a while. They finally come, so can't wait to get them open. But firstly, went to my local Smyths today and picked up the Elite 58 Matt Hardy. Really like this figure. I wasn't expecting this to be in stock. I was going to go and get the Elite 57 Seth Rollins, but all he had in was Elite 58s, which was really good. That's his head scan, really nice head scan. Got obviously the blonde highlights there. Comes with a green attire, really good detail, and comes with the Raw Tag Team belt. Yeah, that's the side, that's the back, that's the other side. So yeah, really pleased with this figure, really like it. So yeah, that's that. Okay, nice one picked up from eBay. I've opened it already, just so for ease. Take all the packaging out. Some bubble wrap. What I have is, get the bubble wrapping off. Get off. Is the WF Hasbro Ultimate Warrior. Been at this for such a long time. Really good condition. Obviously the purple and yellow attire. So I'm trying to top up my Hasbro collection. I want to try and get them all if I can at some point. So yeah, really pleased with that. I've got all the Ultimate Warriors now. Comes with the arm action. Oh. So yeah, really pleased with that. So that, move that out of the way, get out of the way. Stand up. Okay, lastly, last item I got is the Defining Moments Chris Jericho. Really nice figure. The reason why I've got this is because tonight, as in the 22nd of May, Chris Jericho is doing a tour in the UK. He'll be at the Comedy Store doing an audience with Chris Jericho, where he talks about his career and gets to ask questions. I've also got a meet and greet with him, so I'm going to get this signed along with the most recent Chris Jericho Elite, the You Just Made a List one, the exclusive one. So yeah, really pleased with this. From the when he became the undisputed champion at Vengeance, 2001. This is head scan. Comes with the red highlights at the bottom of his hair. Comes with both belts there. Really nice, really good condition. That's the back. Really good. So yeah, that's that. That's my unboxing. I've got the Elite 58 Matt Hardy, the Hasbro Ultimate Warrior, and Y2J Defining Moments. Thanks for watching, guys. See you soon.